This is a fun, quick and easy experiment you can do at home to learn about color mixing. All you need is some milk, preferably whole milk. I'm using 2% though. Some dish soap or hand sanitizer, a few different colors of food coloring, and a Q-tip. And what you'll do is you'll pour some milk onto a plate or a saucer. And you want to get enough just so it covers the bottom surface there. And then you'll put a drop or a few drops of each color of food coloring just throughout. And then once the food coloring is in there, you'll get your Q-tip and you just want to dab it in the soap or the hand sanitizer. And then when you press it on the plate with the different food colors, it'll send colors in all different directions. And one of the really fun things about this is no two results are going to be the same, so you can do this over and over, get different results, draw them, and have a fun little art project when you're done as well. And that's magic milk.